6 cleaning chores you are likely doing wrong. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Staying on top of your home cleaning chores should be a priority, even though you are likely struggling. After all, cleaning is no easy feat, especially when you consider all of the small details that make or break the task. If you have accepted the fact that cleaning is necessary, you should consider ways of making the most of your efforts, and that means avoiding some common mistakes. Here are the 6 cleaning chores you are likely doing wrong that you need to change or stop. First, cleaning windows on a hot day. While it is true you may feel more comfortable cleaning the windows when it is warm outside, this is actually a notable mistake. The main issue is that the heat will dry any liquid you spray on the window far too quickly, essentially causing streaks. It is better to tackle this chore on a cloudy day, or early morning, late evening when the sun is not shining in full force. Second, doing too much laundry at once. If you ever feel like you aren't keen of the idea of spending the entire day doing laundry, you may find it irresistible to stack everything in one go. That is less than ideal, since overloading the machine will only lead to ineffective washing and may cause damage. It is best to leave enough space in the machine so that the laundry can move around. That helps the rinsing plus soaking process, which ultimately leads to clean laundry. Third, leaving the vacuum bag full for too long. Vacuum cleaners are essential for keeping your carpets and rugs free of dust. However, you may focus so much on the cleaning process that you forget the vacuum cleaner needs some attention too, mostly in the form of emptying the vacuum bag often enough. Don't do it when the bag is almost bursting. This is a recipe for disaster. Make it a habit of checking how much the bag is full and changing it when it is 2/3 done. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Fourth, washing knives in the dishwasher. A dishwasher is a handy appliance to have, and you may feel like tossing every item on your kitchen inventory in there. The problem with knives is that strong detergents with alkaline components can dull the edges and render expensive equipment useless. It is best to clean knives the old-fashioned way: hand wash them with soapy water. Fifth, leaving upper areas of the home untouched. Often, when you are so busy with cleaning chores, you may forget to clean hard-to-reach areas: ceiling fans, top of cabinets, ceiling, etc. Get a stepladder or some other tool that can help you reach high areas, because they need cleaning too. Sixth, resorting to strong chemicals for the bathroom. Many people believe that soap scum and hard water deposits can only be cleaned with super strong chemicals. Truth is, you will only need vinegar and water mixed in a spray bottle to get the job done. It will save you money and also save your health and the environment. If you do your best to deal with these chores the right way, you can be sure that your home cleaning routine will only become more effective. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 7 hacks for people who hate cleaning. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. FastKlean works in partnership with Eka Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.